Hello everyone, today I'll give you a brief explanation of some computer network terms, and we're going to talk about email, HTTP, stateful stateless protocol, and DNS. So let's start with the email. Email is a system for sending messages from one individual to another via telecommunications links between computers or terminals using dedicated software. The Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is HTTP, is an application protocol for distributed collaborative and hypermedia information systems. HTTP is the foundation of data communication for the World Wide Web. Hypertext is structured text that uses logical links between nodes containing text. HTTP is the protocol to exchange or transfer to hypertext. HTTP protocol is a stateless and connectionless protocol. HTTP is called a stateless protocol because each command request is executed independently without any knowledge of the requests that were executed before it. It is the protocol used for the web. It's based on a request paradigm. In this protocol, the communication generally takes place over TCP/IP protocol. A stateless protocol does not require the server to retain information or status about each user for the duration of multiple requests. Stateful protocol is a protocol which is able to remember and store details of the interactions which it governs. A good example of such protocol is the file transfer protocol, which for example remembers the identity of the client that is using it to download files. Stateful protocols differ from stateless protocols such as Hypertransfer Protocol used for transferring web pages to browsers. The next one is a client-server architecture. The client-server architecture is a network architecture in which each computer or process on the network is either a client or a server. For a server, it's always on a host, permanent IP address, server farm for scaling. For the clients, it's communicating with the server, may be intermittently connected, may have dynamic IP addresses, do not communicate directly with each other. Now, let's talk about the domain name system. The domain name system is used to resolve human-readable host names like www.din.com into machine-readable IP addresses like 204.13.248.115. DNS also provides other information about main names such as mail services. But why is DNS important? So, DNS is like a phone book for the internet. If you know a person's name but don't know their telephone number, you can simply look at it in a phone book. DNS provides the same service to the internet. When you visit the website in a browser, your computer uses DNS to retrieve the website's IP addresses. Without DNS, you would only be able to visit the website by visiting its IP address directly, such as HTTP and then the protocol. Hope this video helped you a bit. Thank you and good luck in your computer science path.